Recently, I took delivery of my Tesla Model 3.
Luckily, both my kids are in boosters and not car seats, and these are the boosters that we had. Being that a lot of people have been wanting to ride in my car, I've had to move these in and out of the trunk a lot. Plenty of room in the trunk, but I was looking for something else. On the Tesla forums, people were talking about different options for booster seats and car seats, and I found something that's a lot smaller.
They're called Mifolds.
And they work a little bit differently than normal booster seat. You set them the width for your child. And they bring the seat belt down to fit the child instead of this child up to the seat belt. Let me show you how they work in the car. Basically, once you have the seat set for the child, you sit it there. This part clips onto the top of the seat belt. This bottom part goes through there, and then now it's ready for the child to get in. And the other problem with the other booster seat is the edge of it usually went up to the edge in both this car and another of the seatbelts, so they had a hard time clicking in the seatbelt sometime, and with this one, it's pretty easy. Let's get in and buckle up the Mifold. Even if I leave them in the car, they're not that obtrusive. When I was thinking about getting these, I watched a bunch of other YouTube videos to see how they worked. There's plenty out there. I just wasn't quite sure. And they work well. I like them, the kids like them, and they feel like they're more big kids because they get to sit in the seats like adults. They get to fold their legs. I think they're secure and they work well.